Jai Jagannath. Welcome back to my channel. Today, dear viewers, I am going to discuss yesterday's election, which was held in Assam, Kerala, and Puducherry, and has shown a good sign of democracy in India because it has record voter turnout. So today I am going to discuss regarding the yesterday's election of Kerala, Assam, and Puducherry. Before coming to the topic, request to my viewers to subscribe my channel and share my lectures or share my videos to your friends and colleagues. Now I am coming to the topic. So yesterday what happens actual 3 states assembly elections was conducted in Assam, Puducherry and the Kerala. So in Assam, the voter turnout was 85.87%, and in Kerala it is 78.27%, and in Puducherry 89.87%. Why actually I am going to discuss with you regarding the voter or the record voter turnout in the 3 states. Because the reason is that that means people are showing this time more interest in the participation in the voting systems, and this is no doubt is a good sign of the democracy. Now when I am talking about the record voter turnout in these 3 states, I want to take you back last 3 elections of these 3 states in 3 assemblies as well as 3 Lok Sabha elections. Then you will come to know how it was a record voter turnout or a highest voter turnout in this time. And before coming to that I want to tell you that due to the SIR process, and which was in the Kerala, Assam, and all the Assam is exempted due to some of the special citizenship rights. So in the Kerala as well as the Puducherry, due to the voter purifications, you can say. So like the numbers of the deaths, migrated peoples, their the name have been deleted, and that's why it is showing that percentage is with the right percentage. That means it is what we are getting today is with the right percentage of the voters. So now I am giving you the example of the last 3 elections in the assemblies as well as the Lok Sabhas. First I am giving you the example of the Kerala. In the assembly elections 2011, Kerala percentage was 74.92 in 2011 assembly elections. In the Lok Sabha elections of 2014 in the Kerala, it was 73.94. Then in the next assembly elections of the 2016, Kerala percentage was 77.01. Then in the Lok Sabha election 2019, Kerala percentage was 77.84. Then in the assembly election of 2021, Kerala percentage was 74.06, and in the Lok Sabha election 2024, it was 72.04. Now what was the voting percentage in the Kerala? That is the 78.27%. It is the highest for the, if you compare with the last 3 elections conducted in the assembly as well as the Lok Sabha, it stands the highest. Then it is the case of the Kerala. Then I am going to give you the another state, that is the state of Assam. In the 2011 assembly elections, Assam percentage was 75.92. In the Lok Sabha election 2014, it was 80.02%. In the assembly elections of 2016, it was 84.67%. Then in the Lok Sabha election 2019, it was 81.06 percentage. Then in the assembly election of 2021, it is 82.04 percentage, and in the Lok Sabha election 2024, it was 81.87 percentage. Now the present in the yesterday's elections, it was 85.87 percentage, means highest ever if you compare with the last three. Then next is the Puducherry. Puducherry in the assembly election 2011, it is 86.19. In the Lok Sabha election 2014, it is 82.01. And in the assembly election 2016, it is the 84.03. In the Lok Sabha election 2019, it is 81.25. Then in the assembly election 2021, it is 81.66. Then Lok Sabha election 2024, it is 79.24. Now in the Puducherry, yesterday's election, the percentage was 89.87. Now see that actually, if the voters turnout is compared with the last three, this time it is no doubt it is very we can say the record breaking. And in all the three states, maybe one of the factor may be the SIR, due to the SIR process, though it was not in the Assam, but that is a big information going to the public that actually they have to participate in the elections. So some of the illiterate people or semi-illiterate, they fear that actually if not participating in election, they may lose the citizenship, but it is not there. But they feel in that ways, and so that type of the fearness might have also created among the people to participate more and more in the numbers. And once we see when the India is going to, when we'll see that actual voting percentage is 95%, 96, 97%, then we'll see that actual the largest democracy in the world, that is the India, is moving in the right directions, and people realize the that means realize the importance of the votings, and even people also come to the having the voter ID card where they have, so come to that place to exercise their the franchise. And no doubt actually it is a healthier sign, that is a record breaking turnout, and we hope that actual this type of the trend should continue in the coming the days, and people have to participate more and more in the democratic process, and this will no doubt actually strengthen the democracy in our the country. This is for today. Thank you very much.